Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. If I get 100 rupees, then I give 90 rupees back, admits PWD Minister Churchill Alimov in an exclusive interview with Prudent Media. Third major agitation in last 2 months at Kandoli. Agitators demand removal of River Princess. Alison D'Souza from Vasco crowned as Miss Goa 2009, while Rhonda Martins from Panji runner-up. Farmers at Varka opposed the football ground. Varka Gram Sabha witnessed hot arguments. And Salgaonkar Sports Club defeats Kortali Sports Club by 5-0. Now the news in detail. PWD Minister Churchill Alimov in an exclusive interview with Prudent Media cleared that if he gets 100 rupees, then he gives back 90 rupees to the people of Goa. He also added that he is fed up of making political parties.
चर्चिलाची आयडियोलॉजी कितें?
चर्चिलाची आयडियोलॉजी म्हणटी काम आनी लोकां मदें सदां गेलो बरो वावर, लोकां मदें सदां बरो बोंप्यो. म्हाका पार्टी वो कितें लागना. आतां आज हांव काम करता, 4 कडच्यान काम करता. फाल्यां म्हाका तरी काँग्रेसी सीटवर निवडून हाडपा जाय. म्हाका त्या गांवां वचपा जाय, कित्याक त्या गांवां म्हाका सांगपा जाय बाबा तुमी काम केलें म्हणून. सो दीस इज माय आयडियोलॉजी. म्हाका लोक लागता, लोक पळय म्हणटा, गोंयचो लोक पळय म्हणटा तो मुगेलो आनी हांव लोकालो. सो म्हाका आमदार लागना, म्हाका लोक लागता आनी म्हाका लिडरांक कोन्ना.
कितले एलिगेशन जाल्या कोता येता?
म्हाका एलिगेशन नासतना पॉलिटिक्सान भितर सदालो एलिगेशन घेवचें पडटा.
मोदीक ते एलिगेशन आलें की सर्किट हावसा भितर तूं पयशे घेता, हें आता पर्संटेज घेता, असले सगळे
एलिगेशन चोय. पूण कितें आसता, हांव पळय कितें करप्शन करता आनी हांव पळय कितें पळय करता तें लोकांक खबर आसता. लोकांक खबर आहा हांव कितें करता. म्हाका तरी 100 रुपया जायत, 90 रुपीज हांव लोकांक वांटो दीत म्हाका खबर आहा लोकांक. बट आय एम नॉट दॅट. हांवें तरी आज तरी हांव तरी तशें करून पयशे तरी केल्लो जाल्यार आज म्हाका सदां पॉलिटिशनां मदीं एकूच चर्चिल लायलें वर तें तशें आसतलें. आनी तसो पळय तुमच्यांनी सिमेन आसतना केलें तें.
काँग्रेसी बरोबर लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक रावतलो
आसतलो ऑफकोर्स. कितें आसपाना.
सावथाची तिकेट कोणाक?
सावथा तिकेट पळया कोणाक ती. कित्याक सावथा तिकेट अजून जालें ना न्हू. कित्याक आमगेले चेडो मुगेलें चेडो आहा. कित्याक आमी चेडो फोर्स केलो ना न्हू पॉलिटिक्सान. पयलीं आमी पळय भितर सुद्दां एक एग्रीमेंट आशिल्लो. एग्रीमेंट दिल्लो आनी ऑलरेडी तिकेट दिल्ली ताका. पूण आमचे 2 जाणां आमदार मातशे भायर गेले, कितें गेले आनी लोफडे कितें गेले आनी मागीर ते देखून ते एका साधनान दिलें. पूण साधना पयलीं दिवना ती तिकेट. पूण तिकेट आमी चेडवा दिल्ली. आनी आमी चेडो कितें बिश्ट पॉलिटिक्स वचपाक शकना. कित्याक आमी ते गेले ना. मुगे 5 चेडो आहाय आनी 1 चेडो आहा. आमी कोणाक पॉलिटिक्स इंट्रस्ट ना. पूण तेका इंट्रस्ट आहा बिकॉज ही इज अ लॉयर.
तूं सेव गोवाची जी आयडियोलॉजी घेवन तूं
सेव गोवा आयडियोलॉजी घेतली हांवें. सेव गोवाची हांवें मिटींग घेतली. सेव गोवा लोकांक सांगलें. ते म्हाका सांगलें तो पावर आहा त्यात वच. लोकांनी म्हाका सांगलें. आनी जेन्ना हांव थिंग गेलो म्हणून आयज मुगे डेव्हलपमेंट जालो न्हू.
2 सीट मेळ्ळे तेन्ना तुका मातशें वायट बी दिसलें?
2 सीट मेळ्ळे आतां आमचें कितें हांवें UGDP केली 2 जाणां हाडले. एक गांवकार हाडलो, 6 दोगांय आयले. आतां देखून हो येयलो, हो पयलो खंयच्यान गेलो, मोबिना बरोबर गेलो, आमी खंयच्यान गेलो आनी कितें तें जालें सगळें. मागीर तें कितें आसता आमी चलयलें तें आतां पार्टी करून चलयलो हांव तकलो पार्टी करून.
Watch this exclusive interview with PWD Minister Churchill Alimov on Head on Monday at 7:30 p.m. only on Prudent Media. Hundreds of people from Kandoli and adjoining villages on Sunday formed a human chain near River Princess to show their unity for removing the standard sheep. This is the third major agitation in last 2 months undertaken by the locals.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
They all came to form the human chain. They were not just locals but foreigners too who formed part of the human chain. For more than 8 years, the ship has been stranded on the shores of Kandoli Shikeri. Sadly, successive governments failed to remove the ship. On Sunday, a meeting was held at Kandoli Beach to condemn state government for failing to remove the ship.
We have to send a message to all the people who think they can take us for granted, especially the government. ताका लागून मागता आतां हे मॅसेजी धाडपाचे दीस गेल्ले आसा. वी हॅव टू टेक ड्रास्टीक एक्शन.
Well, local MLA Agnel too showed his displeasure with the government.
आयज आमकां दूख दिसता बोगर रस्त्याचेर येवपाक आनी म्हाका लॉस दिसता की आमचो सरकार आसतना हें काम जायना म्हणून.
Marine expert Anil Madgaonkar, who attended the meeting, said that the ship has deteriorated in last 8 years. He says more than 40,000 tons of sand has got accumulated in the ship, and so government has to act fast for its removal.
If the government is serious, they start the process now. We could possibly start with salvaging it by sometime in August, September and finish the job off by next April or so.
While speaking at the meeting, Dr. Oscar Rebelo suggested that people should form a committee and get the services of the technical experts to do away with the ship.
Ensure that this committee, along with those experts, you name the experts as to who you got to go with the government, and ram this down the government's throat. Tell them we are not interested in your talk. This is the solution we are giving you. We want this solution implemented.
A reporter from Kandoli, Rakesh Kandolkar.
On Sunday, the Varka Gram Sabha heated up in hot arguments, with football ground coming up on one side at Varka. On the other side, farmers are opposing it. Here is a report.
Varka residents, especially the farmers, are strongly opposing the proposed football ground in their area. They were seen fuming at the Gram Sabha, alleging the Panch members of keeping the locals in dark and excluding the farmers' community in the processing method of the proposed football ground. The residents were demanding an explanation on their respective queries.
ग्राम सभा मीटिंग ग्राउंड जाला वो कितें जाला तें कोताय न्हू आमगे रिफरन्स म्हणटे आमी ग्राउंडाचे ओपिनियन हाणाय पूण आमकां जाय जस्टीस जाल्ली म्हणजे कोण भाशेन तुमी ग्राउंड कोताय तो शेतकारांक कोणीच ताकून आसता ओपिनियन घेवचे नाका आमगेलो शेतकारां वालोर ना MLA we went to MLA before and I told the MLA everything this thing you can call all the shetkar and ask them, do you want the ground or do you want the field?
Former Sarpanch and Panch member Anthony Rodriguez, who had forwarded this proposal of football ground during his tenure as a Sarpanch, reacted on the current situation.
If they are having any problem regarding the government and this ground, they have to show the majority. So whole village is asking for that, not Panchayat. So ward member had taken that resolution that they want this ground. Ward member, 2 ward members are there. Then when I was a Sarpanch, that time we had taken the resolution that they want this ground in their village. When forwarding this letter, I have to sign.
Sarpancha Vincentina Fernandez said that current Panchayat had no role to play in forwarding the project.
It was passed by Longbeg Sarpanch, not by me. They had put an objection now. I gave them answer that it already about is taken. That we are not there.
So you mean to say that the present body has nothing to play, no role to play?
No role to play.
Our reporter from Varka, Samir Bhatt.
In a glamour-studded evening of Miss Goa Beauty Contest organized at Palwara de Jardin in Nue, Alison D'Souza of Vasco was crowned as Miss Goa 2009, while Rhonda Martins from Panji was adjudged as the runner-up.
Smiling at her, not even smiling at her, she got me smiling at her.